Up, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And the short one then is up for 4 and turn. Up, 1, 2, 3, turn. Up, 1, 2, 3, turn. Up, 1, 2, 3, turn. And 1, 2, 3, turn. Up, 1, 2, 3, turn. And a 1, 2, 3, turn. And a 1, 2, 3, turn. And a 1, 2, 3, turn. Have you got it? Here we go.
Before we do, we're going to sing happy birthday to a young Mayo lad down here. Put up your hand, Mayo lad.
Where's the Mayo lad with the birthday?
He's 14 today.
Hey!
His name is Kieran, so he can sing and we play it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kieran. Happy birthday to you. Well done.
Now he's going to attempt to shoot a donkey with you.
And wouldn't a nice birthday present be for Mayo to win the All-Ireland, wouldn't it? That's right.
On Easter Monday, is it?
On Easter Monday. It might be the only day they might win it. But anyway, God loves a trier. Keep it up, guys. Keep it going. Okay, here we go. We've 2 circles now, have we? Brilliant. Make sure you're all facing in the same direction, otherwise there'll be a crash.